Kinksters, welcome back to my channel. You'll not believe what I got in the mail today. Alright Kinksters, my Target box has come in. Let's go ahead and open it. Oh. Hey, at least they packaged it. What is this? Oh, this is my receipt. Ooh. Okay. There's something in here. Okay. This one, the more special one. Alright, let's find out. The Joker. Alright. We got the Joker. Alright, bubble wrap. Alright. Stormtrooper gold. Got another big box. Alright, Kinksters, so that concludes my video for today. Well, this video, because right after I edit this, post this, I'm gonna do what I always do, is go in a deeper unboxing. So once again, I have the Joker, a gold stormtrooper, and the Aquaman box. Before I forget, I have a playlist that I will link in the description, or have a card up here in the top left corner. I have the link to the playlist where you can watch my other 5 videos of my Funko Pops. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.